How to split screen on Android phone. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. Let me go through quick and easy and how you can split screen on Android phone. Well, the process is simple. What you can do is you can open up any application that you want. Now you want to use split screen mode. You can simply head over to this background apps section, right, where you'll be able to see any multiple apps if you have opened this way. And all you gotta do is, if you have two different apps installed, opened up, then you can simply tap and hold on one in the middle, and you can see drag for pop-up view if you drag it on the middle. But instead you want to drag it upwards and you want to see drop here to open. You can select it, and now you can see the two different app is opened up here as a split screen. Now instead, if you want to open up any other applications, then you can open up only one, close any others, then drag it towards the top, either down or bottom. Then down below you can select any apps to open. So this is how you can easily split screen on Android phones. Hope this video helped you. To like and subscribe as well.